Hello friends, this is Dr. Abhay. Today is June 2026 and one of my patients who is suffering from liver cirrhosis at 435.5 fibroscan. I had an opportunity to share with you the moments. She had been treated with corticosteroids, prednisolone, 50 milligrams from the past 2, 3, 5 years. I don't know which doctors, which professors, though she was being treated in one of the capital cities, big centers for liver diseases. Then they called me around 2 months back and I told them that they have to take the ultrasound of the liver, and they said they have around 2 liters of ascites, water, inside the belly. But I said it is not possible to have 2 liters. And in the end, it was day before yesterday, or yesterday it was, when I really did have to scream on them to get the water drained out. If they wish to live, this is a question of life and death. And today in the morning, her husband called me and said, "Doctor, you were right, correct? There was 16 liters, 16 liters of ascites or water inside the peritoneum cavity." What? For further consultations and further diagnosis, consultation and treatment, please contact me on the numbers given below. The first consultation is free for everyone in the world. Thank you so much.